In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDT to ALPH using the Bitget platform. By following these instructions, you will successfully complete the conversion process and manage your cryptocurrency assets effectively. Begin by navigating to the Bitget website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Bitget URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the exchange where you can access various trading features. Next, locate and click on the trade option, which is typically found in the main navigation menu. This action will direct you to the trading section of the platform where you can view different trading pairs and options available for conversion. After that, click on the convert and block trade option. This selection will take you to the conversion interface where you can specify the cryptocurrencies you wish to exchange. Ensure that you are on the correct screen with the conversion tools visible. Once this appears, you will see the option to click on convert. This button allows you to start the conversion process between different cryptocurrencies. Make sure to check your available balance for USDT before proceeding, as insufficient funds will prevent the conversion. Now click on the From field to indicate the cryptocurrency you are converting from. This will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, select USDT to specify the asset you want to exchange. Following this, type a ZIT in the search bar to quickly find the USDT option. Once you see it, click on USDT to confirm your selection. This step is crucial for initiating the conversion process. Next, click on the To field to indicate the cryptocurrency you are converting to. A similar drop-down will appear. Select BTC as an intermediate step before choosing ALPH, which is essential for the conversion. After selecting BTC, type ALPH in the search bar to find the ALPH option. Once it appears, click on ALPH to complete the selection for the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Then click on the conversion rate field to review the current rate for the conversion between USDT and ALPH. This information is important to understand how much ALPH you will receive for your USDT. Now click on the convert button to finalize the transaction. After this action, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your conversion request is being processed. Please wait for the system to complete the transaction. Once the conversion is successful, you will receive a notification confirming the completion of the process. Ensure you check your wallet balance to verify that the ALPH tokens have been credited. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.